Hi everyone, I wanted to show you that I made this beautiful batch of, I'm making a beautiful batch of tortillas with spinach. And basically what I do is I take the spinach and I cook it with a little bit of water. And I add some salt, some oil, some of my favorite oils, and which I add a coconut and sunflower and extra virgin olive oil to give it that nice little flavor. And I added some baking powder, and then I use an all-purpose flour on this one. I have a video that's mastering the art of making flour tortillas, which some tortillas are made really fluffy. So I went to the store looking for some tortillas, my favorite tortillas, and I couldn't find any. So I said, come on, Mary, you know you can make your own tortillas. But I have some of my stuff, my items packed up. So I have my tortilla, and I've already made a couple, and I'm nibbling off of one. But they're so good. And basically I use like almost a whole bundle of spinach, and I just remove most of the stems. If it's dirty, of course you want to remove the stems. Then you thoroughly rinse them and you cook them, and then you blend them. You blend the sorry, this happened with my yeah, and this was my mom's, and I'm so upset. Anyways, you blend them, and then you add it to the flour here, and then you basically, this is how you make your tortillas. I'll show you. And then I have, since I have stuff, you could use a wine bottle, and just make sure you sanitize it really well, and then you just wrap it in saran wrap, and then you could use, I'll show you how that's done, and basically use a wine bottle to roll out your flour tortillas. Yeah, pretty neat, huh? I didn't think you could do that, huh? But you can. Oops. Make sure the saran stays on. That had a little bit of moisture because I wanted the saran to stick on there. So I make sure you have enough flour so it doesn't stick. Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get you to see that really well. Just kind of roll the tortilla out. Yes. This is my cooking wine, so not my drinking wine, although some have drunk it. But it's really inexpensive wine. Inexpensive wines are good to use for your cooking and your culinary. Okay. Alrighty. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and drop that in there. Then I'm going to do another one for you. And basically what I do is I allow my dough to rest after, you know, just allow it to rest after you knead it. Yeah. And you know, you can also do them by hand, but I'm not going to. Okay. I know, isn't that kind of cool that you could use that? You could use that, and it's just really great to use. I'm breathing hard because it's a good workout. It's a good cardio workout. But if you are trying to get your kids to eat some spinach and they don't wish to eat spinach, all you have to do is put it in your flour tortillas. You can make, I did some sweet potato tortillas. I think you have a video of that. And it takes a little bit longer, but hey, if you don't have a rolling pin, this is what you could use. Yep. And then you just kind of wait until that puffs up. Nice. Hold on, please. And you allow that to puff up, and that's it. Okay. And then put it in your mantel when it's done. You feel it's done, just go ahead and toss it in there. And that's it. Alright, talk to you later.